Hi guys, welcome to RBT Learning channel. In this video, we will be cover the section 177 plus rule 6 of meeting boards and its power. Now section 177 and rule 6 deal with the audit committee. Now the first we will deal with the what are the applicability of a audit committee, means who are need to appoint as a audit committee. First of all listed company, it is compulsory for listed company irrespective of the limits. The listed company need to appoint audit committee. Now unlisted public company satisfy any one of the following condition from last audited financial year. What are the limit? Paid up share capital 10 crore or more, borrowings 50 crore or more, turnover 100 crore or more. These are the applicability of the audit committee. Now the composition of audit committee means who are the member. Who are the member of an audit committee? Audit committee consists of a minimum 3 director. Majority of a member of audit committee shall be independent director and person able to read financial statement. It means literate people having independence is a member of a audit committee. Now the rights of a audit committee, rights of a auditor in audit committee meeting. Now what are the rights of a auditor in audit committee meeting? Auditor of a company and key managerial person shall have right to heard in the meeting of audit committee and when they consider auditor report, but he shall not eligible to vote on that. Now significance of audit committee, what are the importance of audit committee? We also cover in the appointment section 139 that appointment can be recommended by the recommendation of audit committee. We also cover the another like effectiveness of internal audit and the design of internal audit, and also the preparation of financial statement, and the audit process should be effective and efficient. That's are the main significant points need to be covered in the audit. Now all the appointment including the casual vacancy under the section shall be made after consideration of recommendation of audit committee. All related party transaction which is under the section 177 of the Companies Act 2013 are approved from the audit committee. Review and monitoring of audited independence and performance effectiveness of audit process. Now further, the evaluation of internal financial control and risk management system, monitoring the end use of funds raised through the public offer, means all the public offer which is also need to be covered, which is also need to be covered under the audit committee. Valuation undertake or asset of a company whenever it is necessary. Examination of financial report and auditor report. That's for the day. Thank you for giving your time. Good night, goodbye whenever you are watching the video. Shabak here.